Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to prepare a wonderful recipe. This is a wonderful recipe that is being prepared in occasions. So I am going to be preparing this afang soup for a friends get together party, which in most occasions friends normally like entertaining their invitees with nice recipes like afang soup. So this is afang that I am going to be preparing today. This is afang that has been pounded. Here is stockfish, and we have here cow skin, which is the pomo. Also here is beef. Here is crayfish, and I have already seasoned this, all of the meats. Here is stockfish, so they are seasoned already. So what I am going to be doing first now is to parboil the water leaf. Here is water leaf that is put inside the pot. So to prepare the afang, you have to first heat the water leaf, and as you put your water leaf inside the pot, you add Maggi inside with little pinch of salt to give it taste. So that's salt. So here is no cube, which I'll be adding into the pot, and I'll stir this. So in preparing afang soup, this is the first stage. You can see that the water leaf on its own is generating water. So you allow the water leaf to heat, and very soon you see it changing its colors. So this is the water leaf. Here you can see the pot steaming, and you can see the water leaf bringing out water, generating its own water. So now it's time for me to mix the ingredients inside the pot. So I'll be pouring in the beef inside the pot, and also inside the pots also the crayfish, and I will have to stir the pot. So I have to stir the pot. You can see how the water inside that was generated by the water leaf is dried off. So this is one of the best soup in Akwa Ibom land. I'll now allow this to steam very well. At this point now, you add the quantity of water you like, which is just going to be very little quantity, like your seasoned meat water. So now, after adding the quantity of water I needed, I'll be adding little pinch of salt. I told you this soup is for a little get together. I'll add Maggi and also I'll be adding palm oil. Actually, in this Afang soup, there is a particular oil you will add and the oil will spoil your food, but there is the one you will add. It will give your soup a very wonderful and delicious taste. So you add the quantity you need. It's time for me to cover the pot and allow this to steam very well before pouring the afang inside the pots. So you can see the pot steaming now. I'll be adding the afang inside the pots and I will stir the pots. With this now, the soup is almost ready. This is a wonderful meal. People like it, and allow this to just steam for just say 3 minutes and I'll be dropping down the pots. So this is how to prepare afang soup. And the soup is ready. This is how to prepare afang soup for events, occasion, get together party or whatsoever. So I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. So guys, the afang soup is ready. This is Ukeme TV. You can always contact me for an event. Don't fail to also subscribe to this channel. Learn how to prepare wonderful recipes even at home. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful meal. See you guys in my next video. Bye.